Alright, so I have the carburetor off of this already. It's supposed to be here, and I got the fuel line clamped off. Put it on the side. I forgot to mention why I'm doing this. If you happen to catch the first few seconds of the video, let me disconnect the plug wire. You will no doubt have seen that the shroud. Alright, so that one is definitely a 10. I want to take a look at it real quick. So, I had the carburetor off of it and it's in my ultrasonic cleaner. And one day I'll do a video about that. But this process is way more complicated than it needs to be. I don't understand why they would sell this without the actual hinge assembly, because getting these off is not very easy, and they're one-time use lock nuts. Let's see if maybe now the 10mm fits it. Let me go get a couple different tools. This is more of a pain than it needs to be, but yeah, this is the problem here. There's a hole in the side of the plastic shield. So I grabbed a couple more sockets and some persuasion. It doesn't need to be like this. So hopefully, nope, let's try 7/16. That is probably more likely to fit. Or not. Because the 3/8, I mean the 11mm, seems like if I can keep it all the way down, it might actually fit. Because I really don't want to have to do this with vice grips. Alright, there we go. So as long as I can keep that all the way down. Alright. So, this process, I may need to take this to the vise. Yeah, I have a feeling I'm going to take this to the vise. Hopefully I can get a good video. But basically I have to drive this rod out. Oh wait, yeah, that's exactly what I gotta do. And then I gotta drive that rod out, and then switch this hinge over to this door, which hopefully is exactly the same. Yeah, it is. Okay, so this is going to be fun, and by fun I mean I'm probably going to want to cry at some point. I've done this in the past. It's been a long time. And it's pretty terrible. So let's go do that. So I definitely was not able to get this on camera, but it took some creative ingenuity. It was a pain. in the Tookus. And that's put it nicely. That actually is put it nicely. But, so it's going back on. Yeah, I wasn't able to get it on video. Just the angles that I had to be at to get the spring to line up, and the space I had to film in, just were not conclusive of doing that pretty well. Now I gotta find the other nut. Also, it smells like this might be dripping some fuel down. If need be, I have a couple packs of new nuts. Oh, there it is. Then I still have to adjust this a little bit on here, because this is a different one from while I have it on its side, I'll go ahead and sharpen the blade. Oh, thank God it didn't split. Alright, not very sure what I'm going to do on this video, but I'll talk to you guys in a little second.